Say hey everybody.
Hey everybody.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Dub and I'm back for another video. And listen, I'm with Woo Wop right now.
Hi, how you doing? How you doing? I wanted to do this video a couple years ago. Especially when Dub was becoming consistent in regards to his videos. Well, he's always been consistent. What am I talking about? Maybe Vaughn. Just kidding, Vaughn. I love you too. You truly are like my little brothers I never had. I'm so proud of them. But editing my video looks like I'm high, but I'm not. Just let you guys know. I just got chinky eyes. Woo Wop is a genius. Everyone can testify to that. Shout out to Brittany. I'm so proud of her too. Transitioning from Michigan to California and getting her nursing degree. You did that. But Woo Wop is a genius. I think he's a Capricorn, so of course they are naturally go-getters and hardworking and extremely intelligent people. This video showcases that the cognitive understanding that Woo Wop was, even though, let me break it down. So him, Dub, and DDG, they had a mukbang, right? And they were just talking, and what was DDG talking about? Down girl.
What? You just want a down girl that's just for you? You tired of hitting all these old? You just want a down girl that's just for you? Why do you keep saying that, nigga? Do you want a down girl?
You need a down girl. That's DDG. Random. Still, that's my little brother too. But they were talking to Woo Wop. And they're talking about how he was going on a date with a girl who I think was his cousin Diamond.
What? You got a girlfriend? What's her name?
Diamond.
What's her name?
Diamond.
Diamond. Her name Diamond? That's your cousin.
And they kept asking him questions, and it was open-ended questions, which made it more hilarious because he was lying. But well, he didn't know he was lying, but it was so cute and endearing.
No.
She brown?
No.
She black?
Red.
She red?
Red.
Black. What color is her hair?
Black.
She got a car? She got a car? She be taking you to Chuck E. Cheese? For real? Have she met Gigi?
Yep.
For real?
Yeah.
She picked you up yesterday? Where y'all go?
The hot house.
Yeah, where? To her house?
The hot house.
What you eat at her house?
Donuts.
Donuts? What cartoons y'all watch?
King Kango.
They were like, did you change your diaper? And Woo Wop was like, no. Because he's a man and he can change his own diaper. I love that video because it shows black men in a good light. Why I wanted to do this video is because Dub had COVID, I think about a month ago, and he came back, and like he always does, he always prevailed. Maybe 2 years ago, to take YouTube more seriously, even though I'm not that serious as I should be. He is one of the keep going at it. And I believe that Dub's mukbang would be a great tool to showcase in child development classes in a university or college setting, to showcase how you could do open-ended questions to infants and to toddlers, and to just see how they react in their response. That hopes one day a professor will see his mukbang and do a YouTube communication style for children. a great video to showcase on. You don't have to talk to your child like it's some type of thing. It's a human being, and they can perfectly understand you. They might not be able to communicate verbally, but they can cognitively.
You ever see your mama before?
Yep.
You have?
Yep.
What she look like? What color is she?
Blue.
Oh, she blue? Okay. Cause she broke? And he ain't say the cuss word either.
Say big bag, big Rex.
You got
Thank you for watching.
Thank you, lesson.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say follow me.
Follow me.
Baby.
Follow me.
Say follow me.
Follow me.
Baby woo wow.
Baby, what? Baby, woo, wow. Baby, woo.
This nigga is 2 years old, dude. That nigga is amazing, dude.
Woo.